Welcome to the Ask Skinny podcast. In this episode, I will share with you how I managed to save over $5,000 in advertising space with one 50-second viral video I've published on LinkedIn. First, let me start with the background info. I'm a coach and I specialize in midlife crisis. I have developed a 12-step program that helps people experiencing midlife crisis gain clarity. I write books and I have master classes and I have also I'm also doing group coaching and individual coaching. And of course, because I'm really passionate about midlife crisis and what I do, everything what is not content creation, exploration, R&D, and coaching, of course, is outsourced. And marketing is outsourced to 80/20 media, where they act as a fractional CMO. Part of their work was also strategy. How should we produce and distribute content to our audience? And they have proposed that we shoot 2 to 3 minutes videos on the topic of midlife crisis. So we did that. That enabled us to become eligible to be part of the Big Ideas 2025 on LinkedIn. LinkedIn told me exactly how the posts and the videos should look like, the format and the length, in order to be eligible to become part of the Big Ideas 2025. Let me share the screen with you so that you see the video. You'll see that it's nothing special. Want to improve your communication fast? Stop going it alone. Here's something most high performers miss. Communication isn't one-time fix. It's a process. You don't wake up one day as a clear communicator. You build it over time with intention, feedback, and practice. The fastest way to get there? Work with someone who can guide you. A coach, a mentor, or even a trusted peer can help you see the blind spots you can't see yourself. And here's the secret. When you work on your communication, you're not just improving your words. You're shaping your leadership, relationships, and opportunities for 2025. This week, ask someone you trust for feedback. How clear am I in my communication? Then listen without defending. It's the first step to mastery. As you can see, this video got over 600,000 views. So my recommendation for you is that you get a fractional CMO, start producing content according to their strategy, and try to get as many generic views as possible. And if that is not sufficient for your business, as it is in my case, you may add some advertising on top of that. I hope that my case has encouraged you to start recording videos and to start saving money on the advertisement with generic content. Thank you.